Hey guys, welcome back. It's a big breaking news. California woman pleads guilty to punching attendant on flight. A California woman who punched a flight attendant in the face during a flight, breaking her teeth, pleaded guilty Wednesday to a federal charge, authorities said. Viviana Cunos, 28 of Sacramento, entered a plea to interfering with a flight attendant, the U.S. Attorney's official said. Cunos was on a May 23rd Southwest Airlines flight from Sacramento to San Diego when a flight attendant asked her to buckle her seat belt, stow her tray table, and wear her mask properly during the descent. Instead, Cunos began recording the attendant on her cell phone, pushed her, then stood up and punched the woman in the face and grabbed her hair before other passenger intervened, authorities said. The assault was recorded on another passenger's cell phone. The plea agreement says that the flight attendant suffered three chipped teeth, two of which needed crowns, along with bruises and a cut under her left eye that needed stitches. The flight attendant who was assaulted was simply doing her job to ensure the safety of all passengers aboard the plane, United States Attorney Randy Grossman said in the statement. It's inexcusable for anyone to use violation on an airplane for any reason. The incident marked an escalation in unruly behavior by airline passengers and led the president of the Flight Attendants Union to ask for more federal air marshals on planes. Cunones will be sentenced in March in San Diego federal court. She could face up to 20 years in prison and a $250,000 fine. However, prosecutors said they probably will recommend a sentence of 4 months in custody and 6 months of home confinement, KGTV reported. Airlines reported more than 5,000 incidents of unruly passengers to the Federal Aviation Administration this year. So guys, what do you think about? So don't forget to like, share, comment and do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So thank you.